Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your SIM card not showing up in mobile by following these steps. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and pull down that control menu and put on airplane mode and for about 10-15 seconds and then turn it off. It does a quick network refresh, and if it is already in airplane mode, make sure you turn that off. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is go ahead and remove the SIM card and insert it back in. Generally for this, you need a SIM ejector tool. You can also do it with the paper clip or a earring piece as well. Just take that, look for the SIM tray, either it's on the bottom or the top or even on the side sometime. You're going to take that tool, press it in there, and then just simply pop that SIM card out. So once you pop the SIM card out, you just want to make sure the SIM card is not damaged or anything's wrong with it. And when it sits, make sure it sits flat against the tray here so that when you insert it back in, sometimes it can get moved. So you want to make sure it's inserted in correctly. And after you do that, go ahead and check. And what you need to do after that is do a restart to make sure the SIM card is properly syncing with your phone. So you can do that is pull down the top menu, click on the power icon, restart, or you can use the volume down in the side button as well and do a restart that as well. And that's going to go ahead and make sure the SIM card is properly synced on your phone. Now the next thing you want to do is check for carrier update, which will usually happen after you do a restart. You might see a pop-up that comes up says to update the carrier. You want to click on update. Now if you missed that, don't worry, just go ahead and update, restart your phone again, and that update should come. Now if you're still having issue, the next thing you want to do is go into your setting, and in this time in the setting here, from the main setting, you want to go to connections, and in the connection section here, you're going to look for your SIM manager. And in SIM manager, you're going to make sure the SIM card is, if it shows up, it's turned on. Or if it's already on, go ahead and turn it off. And then simply turn it back on. And that should go ahead and sync the SIM as well. Now, if you're still having an issue, the next thing you want to do is go back to the main settings. This time, we're going to go down to General Management. And you're going to look for the reset option. And we're going to actually go ahead and reset the mobile network settings. These are just only resetting the settings themselves. It will not delete any of your data, but important step to do as well. Now, after you have done that, and let's say you're still having issues, the next thing you want to do is connect to a Wi-Fi network because you need to update the phone. For that, once you're connected to the Wi-Fi, because you might not have cellular data, you're going to go down here, look for a software update or general software update, and check for a software update. If you see an update, go ahead and update your phone as well. Now, if you have done all of these steps that I mentioned and it's still not showing up the SIM card, it could be an issue with the SIM card where you may need to get a new SIM card. You may also consider if your carrier supports an eSIM as well. As you'll see, there's an option for most phones to have eSIM now, which is a little bit better than the physical SIM card that's not showing up. And also make sure your phone carrier doesn't have any outages. Also, contact your phone carrier to make sure that your account is in good standing and there's no issue with your account. And sometimes you may need to sync your phone with your SIM service just to make sure everything is working. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.